What's up, YouTube? This is gonna be my first video, my first real video. I'm gonna do a little overview about my stunt bike. It's a 2022 Yamaha MT-07. This is my first YouTube video, so if I sound weird and dumb, that's probably why. And that's just how I sound normally, so let's get into it. This is my little notes right here. Got everything written down, so screenshot it, exit out the video, done with. But I'm gonna go over everything. It's not really in any order, but a little bit of an order. First off, I got my full metal stunts cages, front and back full cage, double back peg edition with the big block titanium for them big scrapes. We got the P32 foot brake and the Ssmoto big rotor kit, Magura 13. Let's see, the foot brake, it's a P32. I think I already said that, but I don't like a lot of brakes, so this is perfect. And it's kind of, the line is all weird because I couldn't get to reach all the way over there, so it is what it is. Got the Bella. I like this seat a lot. Heard some people complain about it, saying it pushes them too far up, whatever. Works good for me. Locks me in on the sit downs. Got a nice hole for the foot. I got the front seat just to match. 54 tooth sprocket down there. Stock front. It's good for circles, good for streets. Nothing to it. Idle cable, also good for circles, streets, whatever. No handers. Some people don't like it. I don't care. And I got this stunt tank right here. This is just a sticker right now, or not sticker, a magnet with some stickers, brands that hooked it up. Some more on there, but I need some more stickers. Stunt tanks, wide body, integrated cluster. It's made from Wonk 333. I get a million people asking me who made it. I paid full price. That shit was like $1,000, so there's your free shout out. Also got the Ssmoto saggy ass fix. It lifts the bike up a lot, but also makes it way less bouncy. Cause if you ever rode a MT-07 or FZ, they got a lot of bounce to them, and I don't like it. Impulse movement, fork inserts in there. Also stiffen it up a lot. It's real nice for wheelies. For regular riding, that shit's a little stiff. It bounces you up a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but for wheelies and everything, I like it. Can't complain. Got the shock soxs. Just keep them fork seals clean. I already had them leaking before, so haven't leaked since I had those on. Got the Toce exhaust. Shout out Toce. Let's see. Let's turn it on. You can hear it. They're tripping. I don't know if you can hear it real good with my microphone into my GoPro, but tell me that don't sound good. That's with the baffle in too. It's pretty loud, but not too loud. With that baffle out, it could be a little loud. Let's see. I also got the Jason Britton tune. It's whatever it is, what it is. You don't need it, but I like that it kicks my fans on earlier. RSC clutch lever. One finger. Oh, I got the Carmichael Pro Taper bars. These are stock risers, but I have them flipped up. Some people use the CR highs, but I'm pretty short, so I thought that shit might have been too high for me, but I ain't never used them, so I can't tell you if they're better or worse. But these are Carmichael Evo. Pretty good. GPR 300 tire. It's actually a brand new tire, and I got an L in it on like literally the first day. Yep, look, I had to plug it up right there. 10 miles, less than 10 miles. This is a Pilot Power 2 count, something like that. I think it's almost time for a new one, but good tire. It's like expensive though, so that sucks. Also under the tank got a Snorkel delete air filter. Not necessary at all. I just had someone hook it up. Toce actually hooked it up for free, so shout out to Toce. Shop it at Toce. I got this custom key. It's just a bottle cap, some plastic. I do a lot of tank tricks with my legs up here. Last thing you want to do is kick the key, so instead of relocating that somewhere stupid, looks all dumb, just get a little round key. Perfect. It's pretty simple, but I'm pretty much done with it. Whatever else I would do, maybe some Ssmoto rear sets. I've had these stock ones for 2 years, never had a problem, never broke. If they do break, $50 or something. I heard a lot of people having problems with the Ssmoto, so until I have a problem with the stock, I'm leaving them stock. Another upgrade I want to do one day is the steel brake lines up front. I don't really stop yet at the moment, so not necessary, but I do want to learn the stoppie. I'm just scared. I think that's about it. If you have any questions, if I missed something, ask me in the comments below. I'll definitely respond to you. Like I said, this is probably my first YouTube video. I'm probably going to try to upload some more moto vlog stuff. I upload a lot on Instagram, just clips, no effort. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. I might add some wheelies in this video so you can see if I know what I'm talking about or not. Might not, might be at the beginning, might be at the end. We'll see. Like, subscribe, comment, ask questions. See ya.